Hi guys, welcome to Math with Mr. Huston. Today we're going to do section 9-3, polygons. A polygon is a closed plane figure with at least 3 sides. A 3-sided polygon is called a triangle. We're going to learn 3 different ways to classify them. The first 3 names are all angles. We have acute, right, and obtuse. An acute triangle has all angles less than 90 degrees. A right triangle has one angle that is exactly 90 degrees. An obtuse triangle is one angle is greater than 90 degrees. Equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. Those are all side classifications. So equilateral has all sides that are equal. Isosceles has 2 or more sides that are equal. So an equilateral triangle is an isosceles triangle. And then scalene means no sides are the same. If we looked at example 1, we're going to classify the triangles by using one name from each. Our first one, the little box in the corner of it, means that it's 90 degrees, so it is a right triangle. And then we can look at the sides. None of the sides are the same, so it's scalene. We move to the next one. The little dash marks on the triangle means each of those sides are the same length. So if they're all the same length, we know it's an equilateral triangle. And we can look at the angles. There's no angles that are bigger than 90 degrees, and none of them are 90 degrees, so we can say it's an acute equilateral triangle. Our third one, none of the sides are the same, so we can say it's scalene. And we look, the bottom angle is bigger than 90 degrees, so it's an obtuse triangle. Quadrilaterals are 4-sided polygons. And we have a flowchart here that's going to help us explain it. A 4-sided polygon in general is called a quadrilateral. If we go to the right, we have trapezoid, which means one set of opposite sides is parallel. If we go to the left, then we have parallelogram. Both sets of opposite sides are parallel to each other, so the top and bottom are parallel, and the left and the right are parallel to each other. If we go under that, to the right, we have rhombus. All 4 sides are the same length, but the angles do not need to be. If we go to the left of it, we have rectangle. Opposite sides are the same length and they form 90-degree angles in each corner. If we go below that, we have square. A square, all 4 sides are equal and all angles are 90 degrees. And we can follow our flow chart back up. So a square is also a rhombus and a square is also a rectangle. All 3 of those are all parallelograms, and every parallelogram, so all 4 of those, are all quadrilaterals. The next thing is regular. A regular polygon means all sides and angles are the same. Irregular means not all sides and angles are the same, so it takes one side or one angle to be different, and it makes it an irregular. That's all I got for you guys. Maybe there's a notebook quiz tomorrow.